So I got to interrupt this video just a little bit to talk about Specbolt. I reached out to these guys in order to see if they wanted to work with me with an engine build, and they jumped at the opportunity and were very much on board. So huge thanks to those guys. They sent me this whole engine build kit. Just absolutely gorgeous hardware. Not only that, they are actually a higher grade than what you would get normally. So normally engine bolts and even just body bolts, they're at about a grade 8 for most of your kind of Japanese bikes. These are at a 10.9, and you can definitely tell when kind of moving around, feeling them. I wish you were here to actually hear and just feel what these are like. I've got the same exact bolts from the stock ones, from the stock clutch cover, and just a dud, and back to the shiny, crisp, clean, and dull. So love this company. Love what they're doing. They come in these nice, neat packages here. Everything's labeled. You don't have to do any guesswork. It's even labeled, lists out how many of each fastener and what the thread pitch is and what the diameter of bolt is. They even have a 5-year warranty in case any of these break. Now, what I'm excited about these for is, yes, the threads that are in the engine case are still just as strong as as they ever were. So you're still at risk of stripping them out. It's not like you can torque these any tighter. But what I like is that the heads of these bolts are going to be a lot more durable. They're not going to round out near as much. They're going to last a lot longer. The threads themselves aren't going to get super gummy as easily. And so besides that, it's the beauty. With this dished out head, they're really trying to go for that factory titanium look, but yet with the aluminum cost. Now you're still getting a stronger bolt, but now you're not forking out hundreds of dollars for an engine kit. We ended up asking if they would also do a chassis kit, handlebars, triple clamps, front fork pinch bolts, things like that, and also a plastics kit, and they were happy to oblige with that. So later on in this video series, you'll see everything go together with those spec bolts. Just so, again, huge thank you to those guys. Reach them online, specbolt.com, and go and get yourself some hardware. Alright, and that's going to do it for this video. Huge thank you to Specbolt for sending out this hardware kit. It looks, feels, and performs amazing. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want anything from Specbolt, make sure to get a hold of them. Really easy to get what you want, what you need. They'll send it your way, whether it's the engine or the chassis. Give them a shout, specbolt.com. I know it's a little bit different in the video today. Let me know if you liked it or not. We probably won't do something else like this again because it took so long to film and edit. Actually took several weeks. I'm sure you noticed my outfit change several different times. I'm just out here late at night after I put the family to bed. So stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be digging into this carburetor, rebuilding it from the ground up, all the seals, anything you can imagine. This FCR carb is going to be brand new from the factory. Please feel free to comment. I respond to everybody's comment on there. Great way to get a hold of me if you want. Like the video, subscribe if you like. Until next time, ride safe and live moto.